Hi, everybody. So today we're talking about the surface area of pyramids. In this particular case, we're dealing with a square pyramid. So with the sixth grade work, we're told you can use a net, which is still perfectly fine. You can still use it if you want, but this might be faster, easier, and it will probably take up a lot less space. So the surface area of a square pyramid, we're going to take our base area, which in this case is going to be counted as B. Again, B for base, plus 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height. Now, the symbol for slant height is this L. This means the slant height. Now, what slant height actually means is the height of the face. So this here is going to be our slant height. The height of the face, not the height of the entire pyramid. Now, what this lets us do is we know the size of one face. All the other faces will then work along with it. We should be fine. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to find our base area. Since this is a square pyramid, this is 6 and this is 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. Then we're going to take our perimeter. 4 times the side, which again was 6, gets us 24. So our perimeter is 24. And then our slant height here is 10. So if I was going to use this formula here at the top, I would use my base, which is 6 times 6, plus 1/2 times my perimeter, which is going to get me 24, times my slant height, which was 10. All right. Want to multiply that together? I want it with 156. So again, it's the area of the base plus 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height. Now, for square pyramids, again, that side by side is more important there. It's not that bad. Now, let's move down to the next one. We'll do 1 as an example here. So here we go. We're still going to do base plus 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height. Okay, so let's do the base part first. My base is 8 times 8, which is 64 square feet. My perimeter is going to be 8 times 4, because it is a square pyramid, which is 32 feet, because again, we're dealing with linear, not area. Then our slant height is given to us at 16 feet. Now we're going to plug this all back into our formula. So base plus 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height gets us 64 plus 1/2 times 32 times 10. Sorry, 16. Keep saying 10. This gets us 64 plus 256, which then gets us 64 plus 256 gets us 320, and then our units are going to be feet squared. All right, so again, base plus 1/2 the perimeter of the shape of the base times the slant height. Figure out the base, figure out the perimeter, then you can get the slant height from there. All right, so this is our first video on the surface area of pyramids. And again, if you still feel more comfortable or you want to check your work by drawing a net, you're absolutely welcome to. But again, it might not be the fastest thing. All right, so again, look for our next video on the surface area of triangular prisms.